welcome to One India News. My name is Arushi Ranjan and good morning from the national capital of India. You can already see the heat wave behind me. It's only April, the beginning of April, and the temperature has risen above 35 degrees Celsius. Now, the Indian Meteorological Department has made similar predictions. They are saying that from April to June this year, the temperature, the heat wave is going to be extreme. Now, why is it a matter of worry specifically this year? We all know that the general elections or the Lok Sabha elections, it's scheduled between April 19th to June 1st. Now, there are many people involved in the voting process. Long queues are made to vote. People come from far away. It is definitely a matter of worry because the heat wave is going to affect them. So the government is taking precautionary measures. Union Minister for Earth Sciences Kiren Rijiju has made an announcement. He had said that all the sectors of government, either it's Jal Shakti sector, the heat and power sector, the agriculture sector, are coming together to make sure that all the people coming to vote or any people involved in the voting process, either they are the stakeholders, the voters or the people present at the booths, should be properly taken care of. The government is taking all the precautionary steps. Kiren Rijiju had said, and I'll quote it for you, that all stakeholders, including state governments, have made elaborate preparations. Since India faces extreme weather conditions as the most populous country in the world, now that is a point to be noted, that India is the most populated country in the world, and it is the election festival of the most populated country of the world, and definitely everyone should make sure that this process is being smoothly done, because general elections comes in every 5 years, and just because the weather is not supporting, we can't let it go, or we can't say that we will not vote. We will go to vote. It's our democratic right as a citizen of India, and we will make sure that the voting process is smoothly done. Now, we all know that April to June is usually the peak summer hours anyways. No need to get so much worried about it, as the government is taking precautionary steps. So should you, and perform your democratic right and go to vote and choose your leader. So that is the latest on the weather of India. For any Lok Sabha related update or any weather report, keep following One India News. We'll keep you updated on all the topics. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.